if we recognize them. Do I have any? Did you start it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you? Okay.
Do
we have any final stable syllables, suffixes, prefixes?
No.
No? Any obvious codings?
Yes.
What?
Put a A and put a macron above the I.
Okay. What else?
G. Put a dot.
Yep. A G before an I is going to be soft, so put a dot above that.
That's it.
Okay. Now, do I have more than one vowel sound?
C.
Okay.
Divide it between the C's.
Okay.
Put a brave above the E.
Where's my accent?
On the
Okay.
first.
Let's code them all, and then we'll come back and try to read them. What about this one? Do I have any any final stable syllables?
No.
Or affixes? No? Do I have any obvious coding?
Yes. Dot above the G. Dot above the G and put it.
Okay.
And vowel, consonant, vowel. Divided between the V and the G and I.
Between the G and the I?
Oh? No.
Well, we'll try it. Where's my accent going to go?
In the first? Oh, put a B above the A.
Oh, oops. Thank you. All right, over here. Any final stable syllables or affixes?
A cedilla under the C.
Ah, good.
And put I. Put a B, vowel, consonant, vowel. And between the T and the O. And put a macron and accent first.
Okay, so let's try to read them the way we coded them. Engine.
No.
Engine. What would I need to do to make it engine? A schwa, right? Engine. Okay. What about this?
Fragile.
Fragile. Put a schwa there. Notice. Notice. All right. So, when you see the letters I-C-E, I-L-E, or I-N-E on the end of words, go ahead and try the regular coding first, and if that doesn't make sense, try the schwa sound. Some people think the word endings, I-N-E, I-L-E, and I-C-E, come from the French language, so we'll refer to these letter clusters as French endings, I-C-E, I-L-E, and I-N-E. Sometimes the letters I-N-E will also say "een" as in machine or magazine, and the letters I-C-E will say "is" as in police. If you come to a word that ends with any of these letter combinations, and neither the I sound or the schwa sound makes sense, try the E sound next. If you're coding a word and you find that it makes the E sound, we won't code the letter I, just leave it blank, and we'll just try to remember that if it's blank, it makes the E sound. Alright, so there's not really a good way of knowing which sound it's going to make if you don't know the word. You just have to try all three and see which one works. So there you go. We're going to practice spelling and coding these on our worksheets today. So let's get started.